Always a good day when Amazon shows up at your door. This should be 3-foot weed matting for the garden. So I'm going to open it up and we'll go install it. I'll tell you what, Amazon's worked out to be pretty good during these times. Worked out really good. I'm glad their 2-day shipping is pretty much back to 2-day shipping. I tried to get weed matting or weed guard, the plastic mulch, at Home Depot, and they were actually sold out. I checked Home Depot and Lowe's. So resorted to Amazon, had it 2 days later. It's cheaper as well. This should be 150 feet, which is more than I need. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, for the record, this is what was in the box. 3-foot premium multi-use fabric. Even use it on upholstery. Alright, just started out here. So I'm putting fabric right down over top of these weeds. It's not going to hurt anything. There's just a light weeding down here, and I'm going to put down some grass clippings on top of here anyway, just to weight it down. Then come late fall, when I pull everything up, I'll just pull the grass clippings up with the liner. But couple of things. Look at this here. Look what made a hole here. I'm guessing a deer walked in here. There's only one, but something was there. It's not anywhere else. But that's just crazy. I'm actually surprised the deer haven't been in here. I haven't seen them lately. But this fabric is a lot better than the other stuff I bought. I'm going to get another roll of this. This was 150 feet off Amazon. It was cheaper than this other cheapy stuff, and it will be a good weed barrier. This stuff's thick, so I'm just rolling it out, going along here. I've moved my wood. Move the wood off to the side and just rolled this right over top. And this stuff is so thick, it's not going to hurt anything work here. But it's thick enough, it's not going to hurt anything to walk on it. Where the other cheapy plastic stuff, you walk on it, you're putting a hole in it. So, lessons learned: don't buy that cheapy plastic stuff from Home Depot. Nope. Get good fabric. Oh, look what we have here. Daddy Longleg. And no, those are not spiders. If you know what they actually are, put the name in the comment. I forget what they're called, but they are not technically spiders. Okay, I'm going to continue on here. Sun's beating down. Bella's over there sunbathing. Oh yeah. Get this done before the rain comes in. It's supposed to come in tonight. Alright. Just finished off putting my walking path fabric down. Must say I'm so impressed. It actually is a woven fabric, not just a thin sheet of plastic that tears really easy. I can walk on this stuff without any problem. So next step, and the final step, I have some staples for fabric on order from Amazon. Is on back order. So once I get that, we'll put in staples where the wood is, and that'll be this year's garden. I need to go through and do some staking. These tomatoes are doing quite well, growing like a weed, which is what I want. Yeah, everything's looking really nice. I'm going to do the Florida weave. I'm not using any, I'm not going to tie up to these stakes permanently. Been trying to do some research here. And I think the Florida weave I'm going to try this year. So I've got the twine and I've got my T-posts. So I'm going to put T-posts probably every two, maybe not T-posts. I've got some 8-foot wood stakes that I'll probably put every 2 plants. I'll put T-posts on the end as anchor posts, because I think they're 6-footers or 8-footers. Probably 6-foot T-posts. And that'll be my anchor. And we'll do a Florida weave. See how it works this year. Instead of using cages and string to tie off to stakes. So just some thoughts here on the tomatoes for this year. Alright, well, clouding over quickly. Storms rolling in after dinner. Just glad I got this completed now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, hope everybody's doing well.